Kanano? Hello. My rider ki engon sticker pyramid. Thank you. Oh, fazare.
Celebrated all over the country. So Manipur chapter when the Manipur Police Department sponsored the initiative Lauraga when the bike riders in Imphal
So guys, finally Kangpokpi Bazaar di hala kai lampang amada ko change breakfast sepri. So okay, SBI Kangpokpi SBI maning lay ko. So from the breakfast story so asida sala. Mamang ding nuôi được piro mu.
phải
Nuôi lepo tu nuôi nấu ye lah. Adu nu par ni. Kai keno phang ja. Coupon breakfast.
Donat
Donat
Chang ko lo le.
Chang ka. Tapo yang isim ka. Ya.
Yum yum de thoi noi.
Yirum yam dra ba. As protein quota wale ngasi ki. Chak toi taros. Lunch so fugalas. Ja. Then. Ja. Hai tong là cái. Sai he. Là phôi thả piro. Thả piro là phôi. Sila. Ya re, thank you. Dua ko sina. Sibo. Kanano? Hello. Log nam dro.
Namme.
Reel ma cham taro se. Gerinda ki reel ma cham tok dure ko ma'am. Ship nan to ma'am. Sing my rider ki engon sticker pyramid. Thank you. Oh, fazare.
It is celebrated all over the country. So Manipur chapter when the Manipur Police Department sponsored the initiative Lauraga bike riders in Imphal Simbi bane bullet Enfield thoba khana Java thoba khana
Yes, Java.
But overall it's a great experience. Riders by amji chaurakna 700 ki chang di high bane. But nevertheless, it is because I think a lot of people have shown that enthusiasm and interest, and we hope that again when we reach the destination, that is Mao, that we will be able to complete. I mean, I hope all the riders will complete also, and thereafter we'll come back.
Sure.
Any message for the youngsters? Enjoy life. Khara nungai ba su to adubu phataba nisa bali to bi gano. This is my message.
Good one, sir.
Yeah,
Good one, sir. Thank you so much. First few people are already going. Looking nice. Ay gari na sila. It's right there. It's time to leave. Alright guys, and it's time to move. I gloves up lage. Since it's gonna be a Rafi, lead. Maza aing. Aduh. Sige, we will be going to Mao. So, kara dilape Mao se. Let's see. I quite fun, quite having from the size in Ching. There will be some curves, some from the so I would love to do that. Of course, I got to there because safety first. Since the curves come up, you know, I need to work on my just to be safer side. Or never.
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gon' launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, no stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb. And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna get it, yeah. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never off it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Profit, spitting hot shit. I'm back, matter of fact, making racks where it's at. Have my back to the mat, not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a back, don't react, no react. Think I'm black, off his back. While I rap, bout to snap, throw a jab, give a crap. We're advanced, I'm the man. Got a plan better than most brands. Goddamn, I'm a rhyme till I die. Never lie, that's a lie.
Okay, time update 9:30. 9:30 तारे कोई सेनापति योग दो So Mao will say I think 11. Let's see. Expectation my 9:30 dito are among Kufas as it looks so good, man, so beautiful. See Kufas as it. But that means it's a train behind me. I mushu ai chama haraga. Chatre mushu kuyamti run. That is huge, man. 700 participants. That's crazy. I just love it, man. So beautiful, man. People are getting down to take videos, pictures, because this is historic, man. Historic. I'm going to tell you, but yeah, today is like, this is the first time happening. I don't know, everyone is taking videos, pictures everywhere, and so happy to see them doing that. Kufajas, Mamangi. See Kufajas City. I just love it. I just love it. This is crazy, man. Because it's beautiful, no? Alright. Senapati, it's here finally. Welcome to Senapati. Brilliant. Love it. Go Senapati. Anybody from Senapati, comment down below, guys. This is Devson the Explorer. Hello everyone. Hello. Thank you everyone. I say almost 400, 500 muti hingala mani. Yawali matuan ali ni buko. Yes, see. Sometimes hingala. I say let's see if I can capture some beautiful. May am sang puto. Amatuan da. Being see. Yam le mi wanda. Masing tiro gang de da. Chatre hai mi chatre kya ngani. I think span of almost 5 kilometers. The money among like 5 kilometers covered the way. Very difficult. I panam the thawale bu. gonna be tough for me, but still riding. May I enjoy the view. Because may I matang sila like to video like am to video mo. Video se phazara kari share to video mo. And if you have followed me, if you haven't followed me on Instagram se follow to video mo. devsontheexplorer finally evening. We have reached Lai Ruk Ching. Hearty welcome, Maram, Srivirin. Alright. Little bit of off-road size there. Let's go. 10:40 time update, and we have reached Tadubi where Sidagi Mao. Let's see क्या हम कोई गदब नहीं होंगे तदुबी बाजार नहीं से कोई रहे तदुबी के लाभ तब it's been quite a long time Sitan looks like we have reached I think Singing weather is cooler in Mao, so I think so Mao hay da yau ba ma le okay Mao Gate, this is Mao Gate, so we gotta quick and I think we gotta cross Mao Gate and let's see the venue of the camera people no. Kada huh? Number player. Hey, come on. Yang. Bera ni hai sini. Kamai kiri na sibo. As light tu loh maksak ni. Very bad. Si kilo ni, taran kilo siya ni. Pera ni, sinan thok re. Ki beta re yang si Adam yang si kau saya pang ni. Kamai kilo ni dah ingai.
आप लोग वहाँ चेरी ब्लॉसम से वापस चले जाएगा
हाँ वही कितना दूर है यहाँ से
बस सामने
ओके
यहाँ से ऊपर जाना है तो पहुँच गए
चलो
ऊपर जाके राइट हार्डली 1.5 किलोमीटर
ओह ओके ओके चलो चलो नेम प्लेट की जुगाड़ तो रहे ओके सुबह काम करो kakap pa si me ande cheri nga to male six right first time ne silai si mới mà thật kia và mới làm bom phi là mới làm bom lên cho mọi người này nice oh yes sini nih मैं हमने cherry blossom ani nga right side lại pambilan se Shiloh blossom to ado feeling is good man, feeling is good guys I think it will continue to see. Let me end the vlog and today I'll meet you in the next vlog, next part, third part, because it is time to enjoy our lunch. Finally, this is it guys. What shall I say? What a place man. I think let's end the vlog. Bye bye and see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.
95, I'm rocking, they watching, cause it's shocking, dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb. And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna get it. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Said I never give